So today we will try something really cool. So we are in Australia, so you can see in the backyard wattle tree, palm trees, and what I have picked up in the supermarket is diced kangaroo meat. And so this is something that we are gonna try with Ziggy. It is raw diced kangaroo. So Ziggy, this is not your friend kangaroo, this is not your friend Roo. They are okay, they are safe. This is something different. Okay, so let's see what you think. What do you think? Is that okay? This is kangaroo. Kangaroo for Ziggy. What a good boy. Okay. Gently, gentle. Would you like some more? Yes. Oh gosh, you're not even chewing it. It just slides down your throat. This is so good. This is kangaroo. Kangaroo. Kangaroo meat for Ziggy. Raw, diced. Total success. Total success. Okay, be gentle, gentle, gently, gently. Very, very good. This is kangaroo. Not kanga. Kanga is safe. Not Roo. Roo is perfectly fine too. This is just some other kangaroo meat. Okay. Gently. Gently. This is such a treat. This is such a treat. Okay, you would like a little bit more. Okay. Gently, 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 sitting, waiting, sitting, waiting. Good boy, good boy. See? That's a kangaroo meat. Oh, gosh, I need to be gentle. Nearly bit my finger off. God, that's like feeding a crocodile raw meat. This is kangaroo. Sit, sitting gently, gentle, gentle, gentle. Good boy. Yeah, just slides down your throat. No chewing. Too good. Okay, gently. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Okay. All right. I'm gonna give you a sitting, waiting, sit. I'm gonna give you the last one, okay? All right. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. Well, that's been nice. That's been really, really nice. Okay. What did you think? That was really, really good. Yeah, but it's just I have half a kilo pack here, and I think you might get a tummy ache if I feed it all at once. Yeah, let's leave it till tomorrow, till some other time. Thank you, Ziggy. Thank you.